2024 Topps Heritage. 6 boxes. PYT 25. This is a half caser. Thank you to Chris for the beautiful kilt. Thank you, sir. Chris, thank you for working with me at 6:30, bro. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Hold up. There we go. Now you can see me. That's a cool box topper. I don't know if I've ever seen the Jason Dominguez box topper. That's sick. That's a sick one. I think I've only seen veteran players on these box toppers. I think that's the first active player I've seen. I could be wrong, but I don't think I've seen any active player. Here, I'm going to top load these right now so I can just get them out of my way. Mike Schmidt on the first one. First jumbo box topper. Second one is Jason Dominguez. That's a nice one. How much is a Jason Dominguez box topper going for? You got John Montefusco. John Montefusco. He was super fresh. Those Adidas cleats are insane. Is that even Adidas? What's up, Marge? Is that even Adidas or is that some old
I don't see
Raleigh?
it no more.
I know. I miss you. I miss you. And then 2 minis of Greg Luzinski. And then actually a pretty cool one for the Metsies out there. For the Mets lovers, Bud Harrelson. Dude, Bud Harrelson. My dad would love that card. Yep, I got you, Erie. My dad would love that card. Me later, Ian. Someone get your key.
Sorry, guys. I thought my car key fell out somewhere.
Oh, you're saying you're actually looking for it.
I think it fell out in. I think it fell out in Brown's car. But I just want to make sure it didn't fall out in here.
Yeah, Erie's not going home. It looks like so. Looks like he has no way to get home. Looks like he's staying here.
Found it.
Nice.
Good luck, everyone. Good luck, Chris. Sorry for taking Cat away. You want me to help rip? I'll open packs.
Nice. Let's go.
I'll open packs. Least I can do.
We got our first jumbo
Oh yeah.
jumbo active player. It's always been like older players.
Oh, J-Dom rookie.
Yeah. Jada one.
That's a nice one. Well, because Chris killed the break and he wanted me to rip, I'm okay with doing it. If someone else felt like I was bad luck and didn't want me to touch it, like if Chris was like, no, you're bad luck, I don't want you to touch my cards, then I'd been like, all right, I ain't touching anything.
Will Benson with a huge home run for the Reds yesterday. Great home run. Great game by them. I'm not superstitious, I'm just stitious. Yeah, Chris. Take all the help I can get for Heritage. Yeah, Yuri's here for the rest of the night. He's here. He had a second thought about his keys. He's like, I don't even really need them. He just wants to see Heritage.
Bowman meeting was good. I feel like we have a good plan for Bowman. I think it's gonna be fun.
Bowman's gonna be sick. I'm gearing up for it. Come May 8th, full steam ahead on Bowman. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and after you hit both of those buttons, hit one more button. It's a bell next to the subscribe button, so you know that when we go live. You're gonna get the notification every time we go live. Yeah, Purple, you know. Purple gets it. Purple gets it. This will easily be the quickest we've ever opened Heritage packs. Usually at like the 21-minute mark. Takes us that long. Thank you, very good, sir. Of course.
All right, I'm out again for good this time. Thanks, everyone.
We'll see.
See you, Cat.
Thanks, buddy. Later. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Thank you, Chris, for the kill. Let's do this thing. 2024 Topps Heritage. Best of luck to each and every one of you. Especially to those who are in the break. Here we go. Good luck. Here we go. I'll do my search at the end of every handful. I will check the backs of these cards because I feel like more and more recently, Ryan McMahon on the SP, I feel like more and more recently the image variations and any other variations won't be backwards. So we will check. Obviously, you're getting every single card, so it doesn't matter. Make sure to check your cards when you get them in the mail. Jonah Heim for the Rangers. White border. So after I do this handful, I will then check real quick just to make sure if we have any image variations. I don't think we do. I'll only do it for the first couple just to see if there's a pattern I can try to find, but I'm pretty sure they kept a really good job at just keeping it. Just keeping the image variations and other cards of significance backwards. So I'll be on the lookout. Nestor. Nasty, who got beat up a little bit today at a $9.99. He'll be back. Yankees split the series with the A's. At plus 17,500. I don't even think that's worth a, that's not even too bad of a splash on those A's. That's 17.5. gonna get hooked up on these SPs. Jason Dominguez base. Jameson Tyon SP. Nice. It's a cool one for the Guardians as well. Going to Banksy here. It's Eck. Eck out of 75 on the red ink. That's a beauty. Pat Sandoval. SP. Sean Manaea on the white border for the Giants. I don't think so. Will. Jason Dominguez base. It would probably have like the 50th anniversary like thing on it. Last handful of our first box. Severino for the Mets. Doval Giants SP. Alec Thomas on our first relic of the break for the Diamondbacks going to Pelican. Alec Thomas. On our first relic of the break. White border of Tovar for the Rocks going to Chris. Yeah, Dale, we actually had an Eckersley for the Guardians at a 75. Eck at a 75. And Luciano here at a 375 for the Giants going to Chris. We also have to run the left-right random. Forgetting about that. Let's run the left-right random and then run the random for all non-sports cards. Here, this is the random for the left, right. I do the dice roll for the left, right. 9 it is. And I also do another dice roll for the teams. 8 and 9. Right wins the random. Right wins the random. We will go to 9. Right wins the random and 9 for the teams. For the non-sports cards. This will be all non-sports cards. 9. Cubs. Excuse me, Tigers. Tigers take it down. Perfect. Let me just note that here, please. Awesome. Arenado. Quinn Priester. Bohm. Bohm, Alec Bohm has been out of his mind recently. And he's on my fantasy team. Thank you. Alec Bohm playing really good ball recently. Purple Matos. You missed it, Dale. Erie was ripping. Erie was ripping. All the purple borders get put in a case later pile. That was Josh Lau. Harold Ramirez, SP. Aaron Judge on the purple border. White border of Jose Barrios. Goldie. Jonah Heim. Yelich on the purple border for the Brew Crew. Johnny DeLuca. Johnny Baseball. Hassan Kim. Mauricio DeBomb, Braxton Garrett, purple border. Sal Frelick, purple. Soroka. White Sox, Dansby Swanson, purple. Rafi Devers. White border of Gunner. That's a cool one for the O's. Let me unclick this. O's. Cool, Will. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. And Luke Weaver. I think it was from handful ago, right? Error. Last handful of box 2. Zach Wheeler, purple. Kyle Tucker for the Stros. And Ketel Marte. Rounds out the purple box. Now we can roll on to the rest of the case. Garcia SB. Corey Julks, Stros. I think Erie and I just opened up different piles and put them in the same pile. So this is the second half of this stack is actually purples. Eloy on our second relic of the break, going to the White Sox. Stop purple. Mickey Moniak, SP. Geloff. Ellie base. Yaz. By the way, the bottom of that Eloy is all goofed up. I think that's like that on a lot of these heritage relics. Arenado purple. Yoshida purple. And Dusty we trusty. Mookie purple. Sonny Gray SP. Adley purple. Acuna SP, 70th Steel. How much of the factor do you think that 70 Steel season has to do with the bases? Still have to steal 70 bases. Still have to go out and do it. Pack, it's so true. You know, Pack, I pretended that I was the book at the beginning of the season last year, and I was super curious if at any point, I wonder if anyone knows, if on the third and final pickoff attempt for any pitcher in the league last year, was anyone successful? I know there was a bunch of balks they tried the third time and they were unsuccessful. Was there any pickoff on the third and final attempt that anyone knows of last year? And I put up, like, I told my brother, like, wonder what those odds would be of at least one time it happening in the season. Really, Pack? I don't know if that's true. I don't know. I really don't know if that's true. I'm curious. It's so hard to, like, find out too, Pack, you know? I don't know. I really don't know. It's tough to tell. I would think that it's just no. I don't know. But it's funny, Pack. You think off the top of your head that it would be? Off the top of my head, I wouldn't think so. I don't know. I feel like it would be so tough to do. So tough to do. On the third and final, when the runner literally knows it's your last one. Beatty on the whiteboard. Yeah, I know, but it's so tough. Not many times did you even see guys try and go on the third and final attempts, pitchers wise. Mitch Garver. I'll be honest, I completely hate that rule. I hate the pickoff limit rule. I think baseball, there should be no time limit on baseball. Genuinely. Not for nothing, it has done good things for the game. I think it has. Especially this last season, it showed to be pretty good. I think there can be some adjustments in the postseason, maybe. I think they're making adjustments for the postseason coming up. Jason Dominguez base. Dean Kramer. I don't like it, Pack. That's not baseball, you know? That's not baseball. Paredes on the whiteboarder. Like, it's the art of baseball is like picking off 7-8 times. And getting the guy on first base's jersey all dirty and like it's a chess match. There's no longer a chess match if you're limited. No longer a chess match. Your Giants still? I don't know, man. Those guys. What is it? Is it an even year? 2024? No, I know. I get it, Super. And the average is the majority. What is this, like, weird little thing at the bottom of Gary's card here? Never seen that. I don't think that's on the rest of them. I completely agree, Pack. Takes away the art of baseball. There's a great clip of, it is a really, really old clip. I don't even know who I don't even know who the base runner is. I don't even know who the pitcher is. But it is literally like a 15-minute long inning. All because of it might have been Ricky actually on first base. Just pickoff after pickoff after pickoff. Pitch, pickoff. Steal attempt, foul ball is the greatest thing ever. I love it. Tyler Stevenson, SP. I love that art. No time limit here. What pattern, Dale? You know what I'm talking about, Super? I don't remember. I don't even know how I found it. The point of the clip. Oh. The point of the clip was to just show, like, this is what it was like before the pitch count. And it is a really entertaining, like, 15-minute long video. Like a 15-minute long inning. The video starts, I'm pretty sure, of him at first base. Orioles, black border. Yeah, I know, Dale. Maybe we could pick it up again? I don't know. What was it, Dale? It started in 2010? 12 and 14? 10, 12, and 14? Forest Wall? Yeah, didn't Pete Rose, like, ruin someone's career? Sliding into home? Collision at home? Collision at home, he absolutely killed that catcher. Destroyed him. Just taking care of all the base. Ray Fosse, that's it. My dad always talked about Ray Fosse. Ray Fosse. Oh, that was a horrible injury. That was a horrible injury too, Buster, baby. Terrible. Who was the base runner? I remember that. I don't know if he ever caught a game in his career after that. I think they threw him at first base after that, and then after a couple years, he just said, "I'm done with this. I had a great career. I'm a multi-home run winner, a multi-World Series winner. I'm good." Cousins? Who the heck is Cousins? Scott Cousins. Oh my god. I remember the video. I remember the video too. He leans over to him, right? Scott Cousins. And he's like, yeah, he was in agony. That was difficult. That sucked for him. That was super, like, that was super wacky. That, like, shocked everyone. What year was that? Oh, man, I would say, I'm just going to guess here. Nick Castellanos on our bat piece after Garrett Cole. 2016? 2015? Maybe? Obviously, it was after their World Series run. Really? 2011, Dale? No way. I said obviously had to be after the World Series run. Oh, shit. That's crazy. Wow, man. Yeah. Dude, the Lakers gave up another fourth quarter lead today? Double digits, I'm pretty sure. That is just embarrassing. White border of Oswald Peralta. Peralta. No more home plate dagger. My heart hurts thinking about Buster. Buster. I watched Buster Posey crank a home run off Jose Fernandez. It was eye-opening to me. I didn't think... I was super young, too. I was like, I don't know. I was probably like... I don't even know... What year did Jose... 2014, maybe? I got to see Buster Posey hit a home run off Jose Fernandez, and then I got to see Jose Fernandez hit a home run. Live. Live. In person. Rascal. When it was the D Gordon and it was the D Gordon, Christian Yelich. Cover your ears, Hawk, I'm sorry. And Jose Fernandez show. Yeah, I did pack. I played and then I it's funny enough, I actually switched sports. Super rare, but I played baseball and then I had terrible back issues. I caught for a long time. I was a great defensive catcher. I was amazing defensively. If you put a bat in my hand, no. If you put a bat in my hand and told me to go, need this base runner on at second base to come in, I struggled hitting. Defensively was great, but actually, Pack Ice played. I played college sports for a year, but not baseball. I played lacrosse for a year. I played college sports for a year at Mercy. I did a year of that, and I said, my body can't take it anymore. Genuinely. I just have a terrible back. My back is literally horrible. Literally horrible. Oh yeah, Dale. No, literally. That's exactly how it is. And then there's some more, I'm sure. I don't know if it's quite the best resume. Jordan Romano here. Cloak and Dagger. I'm gonna make that like my new username on Xbox or whatever. Cloak and Dagger. It's gotta be taken. It's too wise. It's too wise. Literally never had a job interview? That is hysterical. Talking about this one, whoever brought it up earlier, I think Will, you brought it up, right? This is the error card? Red? Who is this actually? Whitey Herzog, or what were you saying? This is the error card? Randy Arozarena trying to get his way out of a slump. Nice, Will. Nice. Rip. Dude, Blackie, Blakey, whatever your name is, tell me about it, brother. It is insane. How's Bobby? I haven't even seen anything about Bobby. Jose Abreu sticks out like a sore freaking thumb, man. Mitch Keller. I had him last year, Blake. Kyle Leahy. Oh, Gleno. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can say that again. That team is like, there's gonna be like documentaries about this team, about that White Sox team. It's like the most top. Have you read the stuff that they've said about the clubhouse and how horrible and toxic everyone hates it there? It's weird. Super strange. People are strange when you're a stranger. Oh my god, are you serious? He's actually hitting .81? Goodness. Is he starting, Pack? Is Jose Abreu the starting first baseman? Like every day? This is true, Dale. Jackson Holliday's like dreaming of that. .81? Oreos for sure, brother. Let me, you wouldn't know, though, because I didn't put any in the store. Let me put some in the store here, Oreos, okay? Hang with me. Hang with me, Chris. Oh, yeah, 26 is in the store. Yeah, Oreos, we do, buddy. Fantastic to see you, Oreos. Making his entrance. Reese Olson on the white border. Oh, when Bowman releases, you guys are gonna be like, "Can we have Heritage back?" Just kidding. I know it's a joke. I wonder who's gonna say that. I can't. It's probably gonna be Dale. It's probably gonna be Dale. Who's like, "Bring back Heritage." Don't tell me twice. There's Whitey. Ellie base. Horace-Dale. Oops. This is not the SP. The Yelich is not the SP. It's actually Leote. Leote is the SP. They just got mixed up. Black and white variation of Alex Spias. Carrie Carpenter. Carrie Carpenter. Larry Walker. Now batting for the Rockies. Super close, super close. Then we're jumping right into Inception. I'm going to upload the video, Goldschmidt on the white border. I'm going to upload the video for this. Just going to prep, and then we're going to get right into Inception. There's red. I'll put him in the, I'll put any time I see this red into the case later pile. It's a cool card. Might as well. I like error cards. It's for the grinders pack, like the grinders. I mean, just grinding. So someone said earlier, that this red, that is actually Whitey Herzog. I really couldn't tell you what Whitey Herzog looks like. I maybe know what he looks like. But that's what they're saying. Come on. Right, Dale? You know what's funny? The whole time I've been opening this pack, I've noticed the red show and diced, whatever the card is, show and diced, I'll say. And I keep going in my head. I said that looks like the Whitey Herzog guy. That looks like Whitey Herzog, not Whitey Herzog guy. I know who Whitey Herzog is, but I was like, that looks a little bit like Whitey. Like, oh, just like what Dale said. They all look the same. These old managers. But not an error? Okay. Cool. So it's an error, not so error card. It'll say error on the back, right, Gleno? I have yet to see one. Nice Dylan Cease here on our last card of the break. Get a little pinstripe here for the White Sox, Chi-Town, and Slew. Cool. Cool. All right, here's your guys' recap. Oh, wow. No way, Gleno. That's crazy. All right, here's your recap. Guys, we're going to hop into Inception right now, and then you guys should go attack, we'll figure it out. 2022 Bowman Draft Sapphire full case. We have a Papa Bounty live. Here's your recap. These are the Chrome out of 999. 575 of Garrett Cole. 375 of Luciano. To some base. 3X Jason Dominguez. 4X Ellie. To the white borders we go. Goldie, Olsen. Gunner base. Gunner white Boada. Gunner white border. Had a black border of Angel Felipe. Image black and white of Alex Spias. To our relics. Dylan Cease. Beautiful relic. Love the pinstripe. Castellanos on the bat. Aloy's bat. Thomas's bat. And an Eck auto from the guards. I love that old Cleveland Guardian logo. That hat is badass too. Super cool. Eckersley. 45 out of 75. I'll get the sword on it. Why not? Why not? 2024 Topps Heritage 6-box PYT number 25. Chris, thank you again for the kill. Seriously. So much. Also, all the purple borders and SPs, ton of them, will get put in the case later pile. The sorters and sleevers will take care of it. If we did it here, we would be here till the end of the night. 2024 Topps Heritage 6-box PYT number 25. Thanks.